Good morning, guys. I've had such a chill morning. This is where I slept. Oh yeah, I woke up in the night and drank a bunch of these milkshakes, strawberry milkshakes. I always fall asleep quickly when I go to bed in here. It's like within an hour. I never have to charge my laptop or anything. There's no power in here, so my laptop doesn't really hold a charge for that long. So when it goes, it goes. But I always fall asleep first. I always have some active days here. I always help out with a bunch of stuff throughout the day. Oh, let's get some chocolate milk. We've been busy cleaning up the place, making it ready for his new couch. It's hard work. Just charging some stuff over here. But it's so hot, we keep taking breaks. Here we go. Brand new couch setup. And I'm gonna be the first one to use it. Let's see here. Oh. Wow. That's nice. Oof. Alan and his friend Kuno are playing with the dog. I'm just here enjoying the view, the nice weather. Cleaned it up, don't worry. Okay. Bord? Der er det runde bord. Jeg skal lige flytte nogle ting.
Jamen, så skulle du bare vise mig, at du har lavet dig en ret.
The bunny's been walking around freely in the garden, in the area. He dug a little tunnel in his house. But I caught him. Well, I don't really have to chase him. I just went over to him and picked him up. He was in the backyard. Dinner was great. Potato salad, some meat, some sausages. I had some of these pink lemonade. I really like it. Today's been a good day. It's always a mix of chilling and being super active, doing stuff when I'm here. I like it.